Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and today our team and I have been working on this, the Ford Kuga. We've added two separate products to this, so we're covering both in today's video. Firstly is the dash camera. So what we've done is added a front and rear dash camera solution. The product is called a Thinkware Q800 Pro. So it's a 2K image quality front camera. We run a cable that goes all the way to the back, going onto a rear camera. The camera is absolutely fantastic. It gives you the ability to log in on your phone, view footage, save footage, change settings all in one place on an app. If you want to know a little bit more how the app actually works, I've done a full separate video that is in the description below about how the Thinkware Cloud app actually works. But overall, really happy with the final result. It all looks neat and tidy. There's no wires on display other than the small amount that go into the actual camera. However, we mount it on the left-hand side of the mirror, so it's all nice and discreet, and the rear camera is incredibly small anyway. These are professional cameras that go wide into fuse box, and we also do solutions that also allow it to record in the vehicle's parts as another layer of security. So that's a bit of an overview on the dash camera. The second product that we've added onto this particular vehicle is an integrated reversing camera. We're using what's called our ProFit wedge camera at the back of the vehicle. Again, full cable run that goes into the front into an integration module. And what that then allows is, as soon as you engage reverse, automatically comes up with a crystal clear image live on your sync through system on the car if you're having the same year as this. But yeah, it goes directly onto the screen. You also get a little PDC overlay as well, so your parking sensors can still be displayed and you still retain the audible tone of them. But overall, really happy with the final result. Everything's gone smoothly and all done in a controlled workshop environment here in Cambridge. If you're after having something like this installed, whether they're separate or all together or some additional parts that we can add on to your car, make sure you get in touch with us. All of our contact details are down in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.